Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
It's typically made with butter, cream cheese, sweetened shredded coconut, and powdered sugar, aka confectioner's sugar. All of these ingredients are mixed together, rolled into bite-sized pieces, and dusted with ground cinnamon. 4 March 2021.
Make your mark, take our lead.
The information gathered leads us to a conclusion that rice, especially brown or parboiled kind, white one with added nutrients, is a better choice than potatoes thanks to its high vitamin content and low glycemic index. 28 October 2015.
Take our lead.
Red potatoes. The healthiest potato is the red potato after taking into account the mineral density, the vitamin density, the macronutrient balance, the sugar-to-fiber ratio, the sodium-to-potassium ratio, and the phytochemical profile. Red potatoes are the healthiest potato with data from the USDA Food Database. 28 September 2018.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Some Irish folks also use the term tatties for potatoes, but that's apparently Scottish in origin. One might also hear potatoes referred to as pratties, purties, or puries in Ireland. 17 March 2016.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.